Meaning of desire.
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 Desire. Desire refers to a strong feeling of wanting or wishing for something. It is an intense emotion that motivates and drives individuals to pursue their goals and aspirations. This intense longing can be directed towards various objects, experiences, or outcomes, including material possessions, relationships, achievement, or personal growth. The effects of desire can be both positive and negative, inspiring individuals to achieve great things or leading them towards destructive behavior. Overall, desire is a powerful force that shapes our motivations, choices, and ultimately, our lives.